Hello everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. The other day I had a bit of an issue with the truck. The gas tank fell off. Well, almost fell off. It dropped down and broke a fuel line on me. Now how I got home, I'm going to show you what I did down here. A field expedient method for getting home if your gas tank straps break. And this is what we did to get our truck home, is used a tie-down strap. See that? Plain old regular cargo strap or tie-down strap to hold the gas tank back up in place to get us home. The back one held, but the front one dropped. I can see the tank is leaning downwards in a forward angle. I didn't know at the time what position it was supposed to be in, so I put the strap on and cranked it back up to where it was supposed to be as well as I could. But yeah, obviously I had no idea where it was supposed to be, but it got us home. One of the fuel lines broke, and that would be the return line to the gas tank. So when the engine was running, I didn't think we were going to make it. With the engine running, gas was streaming down out of the vehicle at idle. But some people where we were helped out, and we went down on the road. I took the truck down and they watched. And when I got up to speed, there was no fuel dripping because the engine was using it. When I was at idle, it was pouring out quite a stream because obviously the line was broke, almost off. So I put the strap on, I got it into place to prevent any further damage, and so we could limp home with the truck, and kept it on highway speeds and got it home with no issue. I would not recommend driving with a broken gas tank line, but if you're far from home and you've got highway between you and home, go for it. Or at least, 55-mile-an-hour roads. I won't say go for it. I should say, if you got that, we did. But it's not advisable to drive in that condition at all. If you can get help, that's the most important thing you can do. But where we were, and it was a Sunday, there was nothing we were going to do. Nothing you could do about it. Anyway, so there it is. And I have ordered the new parts. I don't know if I'm going to do a video on that or not, because it's a simple job, and I can't really get my camera under there. And it's going to be a deal. And then I've got to figure out how to fix that broken line. This is a brief video. I just wanted to show you, if you break a gas tank strap, and you can use a cargo strap to hold it up and get home again as long as nothing else breaks. And that's what we did. Well, I hope this helps somebody along the way one day. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.